Hi friends, I am going to explain about how to find highest common factor. What is the abbreviation of HCF? Let us see, that is highest common factor. The other name of highest common factor is greatest common divisor. Both of them same, HCF or GCD. Highest common factors are greatest common divisor. What is the definition? The highest common factors of two or more given numbers is the greatest or highest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common factors. HCF or GCD, both of them same. Let us see the example sum. Find the HCF of 20, 28 and 36. First find the factor of 20. What you do? Select the prime numbers. What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7. These numbers are very important one. These prime numbers are very important one. See the number. In this number, the ones place is 0. So, what you do? First see the 2 table. 2 table can able to divide at this number 20. Isn't it? 2 table can able to use this number. 2 and 5 table also. But first you have to select this 2 table. Then move to the 5 table. Okay. First select the 2 table. 2 table 1 2 is to 0. Then 10. 10 can able to divided by 2, isn't it? So select the 2 table. 5 2s are 10. 5 is the prime number, so that use the same 5 table only. 5 ones are. That's all. The factor of 20 equal to what are they? 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. Then see the next one, 28. 28. See the ones place. Here the ones place is 8. Select the table. 2 table can able to divide at this number 28. Yes, definitely. So that select the 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Then again 7 table. Again 2 table. 2 and 7 table. 2 and 7 can able to divide at this 14, isn't it? But first select the 2 table. So that 2 table 7 2s are 14. Then 7 is a prime number, so that keep as it is, 7 ones are. Then select the number 36. 36. Here the ones place is 6. So that first select the 2 table. After you have to select the 3 table. First select the 2 table. 1 2 is 2. Here balance 1. So now consider as the 6 is 16. 8 2s are 16. Then again 2 table 9 2s are 18. Then 3 table 3 3s are 9. Then 3 is the prime number, so that at last 3 ones are. What is the factor of? What is the factor of 28? Factor of 28 is 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. What is the factor of 36? Factor of 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. At last HCF or GCD. HCF, that means highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor of 20, 28 and 36 is, first select the number. This is very important one. First select the common numbers. Here 3, here 2 is common for this 3 number. So that write this 2. Then next 2. This 2 is common for this 3 number, so that into 2. Hereafter there is no common numbers, so that you just leave it. At last 2 2s are 4. This is the final answer. Let us see the one more example sum. Find the HCF of 18 and 48. First what you do? Solution. 18. How you factorize? What I told. First select the numbers, prime numbers. What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7. This is very important one. First select the 2 table. 2 table 9 2s are 18. Then select 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 is a prime number, so that 3 ones are. Factors are what are they? 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Then select the next number 48. What you do? First select the 2 table. 2 table, don't use 4 table. Don't use 4 table. Okay? Only use the prime numbers. 2 table 2, 2s are 4, then 4 2s are 8, 24, then again 2 table 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2 table 6 2s are 12, again 2 table 3 2s are 6, then 3 is the prime number, so that 3 ones are 3. Here only 2 numbers only, so that's all. Here the factors are what are they? 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Now what you do? Find the HCF or GCD equal to what are they? First select the common numbers. Here the common number is 2. Common number is 2. Then another common number is 3. Then another common number is 1. So what you do? Multiply this 3 numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So that at last the GCD of 18 and 48 is 6. That's all. Thank you. Bye.